Good morning, students. In our last class, we had discussed regarding blood group, and there are two parts. First one is ABO blood group, and second one is RH factor. In fact, what happens whenever we are talking regarding blood group, it is combination of both. That means ABO blood group and RH factor. So let us sum up in a very nutshell that overall the ABO blood group and RH factor, how it is being considered during the time of blood transfusion. जब ब्लड देने की बात होगी, जब ब्लड लेने की बात होगी, तो इसको हम लोग कैसे कंसीडर करेंगे? तो पहले जान चुके हैं कि इट इज द एंटीजन. द नेम ऑफ द ब्लड इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एंटीजन फाउंड ऑन द मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ आरबीसी. दैट मीन्स which type of antigen is found on RBC, that decides the nature of blood group. So in ABO blood group there is another thing, RH factor. So when RH factor, that means antigen for RH factor, that is a special type of protein that is available on RBC, they will be positive. That means RH positive, and where it is not available, it will be RH negative. So all together, when there will be matter of blood transfusion, then it is very simple that the person who are RH positive will give blood to RH positive. Simultaneously, that means it will take blood from RH positive and it will give blood to RH positive. Likewise, in case of negative, the person who is negative takes blood from negative. Next, if the person is negative, then he can give blood to person who are RH positive. But when RH positive person is going to give blood to RH negative, that will create problem, because the person who are RH negative, they are having no antigen, and if blood is being given from RH positive, that means there will be something additional, and the blood of the acceptor, they will start producing antibody against RH factor, and that will destroy the blood. So it is not incompatible, it is not considerable. So it is clear that the plus will give blood to plus and take blood from plus RH positive. The RH negative will give blood to RH negative and take blood from RH negative. The RH positive person will take blood from RH negative, but RH negative person will not take blood from RH positive. This is clear. Second one is ABO blood group. Then in ABO blood group there are four blood group. There are four blood group. That is A, AB, O, and B. These are four blood groups. The same thing happens here, that A will give blood and take blood from A, no problem. Likewise, O will take blood from O and will give blood to O. AB will take blood and give blood to AB. Likewise, B, no problem. A will take blood from A and A will give blood to A. O from O, B from B, AB from AB. Whosoever is positive, they will give to positive, negative will give to negative. This one will be also considered simultaneously. Now this A is giving blood to AB, O is giving blood to AB, B is giving blood to AB, and O is giving blood to B, O is giving blood to A. That means O is providing blood to each and every group of blood. That means it is being considered as universal donor. And AB, accepting blood from AB, AO, B, from all. That means it is universal acceptor. I think it is clear. इतनी सी बात जानना है आपको कि कौन किससे ले सकता है, कौन किसको ले सकता है. So this is the concluding in continuous with the last two lectures, and in both the lectures so many persons have praised the work. I would like to thank all those persons who have taken interest in the video, like Kunal Kumar. ये लिखते हैं most important and very effective sir. बड़ी अच्छी बात है. हर्ष राज, इनका कहना है very effective lecture for us. The sacred study better than yesterday. जाहिर सी बात है एक्सेलेंसी आएगी जब भी आप काम करेंगे, एक्सेलेंसी इंक्रीज करेगी. दिनेश कुमार लिखते हैं also ask a question to students regarding subject matter and let them reply. कि बच्चों से प्रश्न भी पूछिए और जवाब भी देंगे. जाहिर सी बात है टू वे कम्युनिकेशन होनी चाहिए, बट ड्यू टू कंस्ट्रेंट ऑफ टाइम आई एम नॉट इन ए पोजिशन टू आस्क क्वेश्चन बिकॉज द वीडियो विल बिकम लेंथी. दैट इज व्हाई फॉर द टाइम बीइंग इट इज बीइंग अवॉइडेड, बट लेटर ऑन आई विल आस्क द क्वेश्चन टू माय स्टूडेंट्स. ड्रीमर 777 ये थम्स अप साइन दिखाते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा. हिमांशु दास लिखते हैं थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच हिमांशु. शिवम कुमार थम्स अप दे रहे हैं. दैट इज गुड, दैट इज एप्रिसिएशन. हिमांशु दास लिखते हैं आई हैड सीन 3 or 4 मोर वीडियोस बट आई अंडरस्टूड ओनली आफ्टर वाचिंग योर वीडियो. दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ प्राउड फॉर मी that the students are realizing that they are understanding, and that is our motto. गौरव कुमार प्रेस कर रहे हैं. अभय कांडी सर ये भी प्रेस कर रहे हैं कि आपका काम अच्छा है सर. Likewise, in the second lecture of blood, that is RH factor, these are the personalities who have commented. Rajni Thakur, great explanation sir. She is from RI as a training teacher. Harsh Raj, very helpful for us. Oh, it is Abhishek Kumar, 19th batch, as usual explaining how the students understood it. Was great to see you sir in the platform of YouTube. अब इंडिया का हर बच्चा समझेगा. कितना अच्छा कमेंट लिख रहा है कि अब इंडिया का हर बच्चा समझेगा. That means easy to understand. Best explanation ever. स्वर्णिम फिर लिखती है थैंक यू सर. शिवम भूपति, very helpful sir. I am always for you people, to help you people. The sacred study, helpful. Kunal Kumar, great explanation RH factor. Moili Sri Ramulu sir, super. Jackie Thapa, nice sir. Moili Sri Ramulu, this is the teaching spirit. उनका कहना है पहले यहाँ PGT तेलुगु सर थे है ना, वहाँ से वो विश कर रहे हैं. नमन राज सुपर. मोइली श्री रामुलु JNP मदिराला गुंटूर आंध्र प्रदेश से. तो ये सारे लोग कमेंट किए हैं, प्रेज किए हैं. इन सभी लोगों को थैंक्स अ लॉट. और सबसे पहले तो थैंक्स जाना चाहिए दैट गोज टू आवर टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट नोइंग द टेक्निकलिटीज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट केशव राज, ही इज हेल्पिंग मी. कम ऑन केशव राज. and it is the technical expert of Keshav Raj that I am telling you this much in front of you people. Thank you once and all again and hope आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा. आप लाइक करेंगे, कमेंट करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे. थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल.